Nowadays, companies and politicians are increasingly engaged via social media and are perfecting strategies for optimizing diffusion in networks. As a result, academia has devoted substantial effort to investigating peer influence and how companies could reach a maximum of individuals for the minimum amount. In this paper, the authors look at how we can identify peer influence and moderating individual level attributes. That is, we are interested in who are the influential people, those that will spread information, and the susceptibles, those that will likely respond to receiving information. In order to address the question, the authors perform a randomized field experiment by investigating the Facebook notification system for a movie application. Information for 1.3 million users is collected, which allows the researchers to investigate a wide variety of attributes. Findings at the individual attribute level are plenty. Susceptibility decreases with age, and people are the most influential on people the same age or younger. Therefore, people over 31 are the most influential, but also the least susceptible. Gender is important in the sense that men are more influential, but women are less susceptible. Unsurprisingly, women influence men a lot more than they do influence other women. Finally, we see that single and married people are the most influential, and that susceptibility to the notification increases with the commitment to the relationship. Married people, however, are not susceptible at all to the notifications. At a more general level, what we see is that highly influential individuals are not susceptible, and therefore that makes them good targets for marketing policies. We also observe that influential people are so because of their nature, and not because they have more susceptible peers than others. Another finding is that there are more influentials than there are susceptibles, so people should focus on their current adopters to spread the word, rather than the peers of other individuals. Finally, there are multiplier effects from targeting influential people due to the fact that they At the end of the day, the authors remind us that knowing who's influential and who's susceptible is just not enough. You also need some information about the structure of your network, how people are connected, their degree. Because if you've identified somebody who's highly influential, but then he's isolated and not connected to many people, that does not make him a good target for a marketing strategy. It is therefore important to know how nodes are connected before establishing who are the influential and who are the susceptible and making decisions for strategy. There are, however, a few drawbacks to the method. First of all, the authors do not take into consideration the exposure frequency to the messages and to the notifications. Also, individuals can receive messages from multiple influencers, but we only consider the last one received. Finally, randomization negates the effect of recipient selection and message content, which are factors which will have to be looked at in future research.